Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unstar a file in Google Drive. If your starred files list is getting a bit cluttered, or if you simply want to remove a file that you no longer need quick access to, follow these simple steps. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where the file is stored. Once you're in, it's time to locate the file you want to unstar. Next, find the specific file in your drive. You can do this by scrolling through your files or using the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you've found the file, look for the three dots next to it. This icon represents more options. Now click on those three dots. A menu will pop up with various options related to that file. Here's where we make our move. Look for the option that says Remove from Starred. This action will instantly unstar the file and remove it from your starred list. And just like that, you've successfully unstarred your file. It's a straightforward process that helps keep your Google Drive organized and manageable. Remember, starring files is a great way to keep important documents easily accessible, but it's equally important to manage that list as your needs change. If you ever need to star a file again in the future, simply follow the same steps, but select Add to Starred instead. This flexibility allows you to customize your starred files based on what's currently relevant or necessary for your work. In summary, unstar a file in Google Drive by opening the app, finding your desired file, clicking on the three dots next to it, and selecting Remove from Starred. With these simple steps, you can maintain an organized digital workspace tailored to your needs. Thanks for joining me today. Happy organizing in Google Drive.